On this episode of Camper Crusades, I'm converting my new Jeep Renegade into a sleeper / camper conversion. Check it out. So today I'm working on the version 2 of my camper conversion here on Camper Crusades. I recently upgraded to this amazing Jeep Renegade and I'm got a pretty detailed plan of how I want to execute a new platform for sleeping on. So let's get into it. So as you can see down below here, I've got these 2x3 runners that are just going to be there to support the plywood platform that I'm going to be measuring and cutting in a second here. And it's a really simple design. It's kind of a joke that I said it was complicated, but very simple. Couple of runners, plywood on top, and that way I can take it out and put it back in a matter of minutes, depending on whether I'm going on a solo trip or if I have some friends tagging along as well. So let's get into it. A few measurements, and then we're going to get to cutting that plywood. Call that 37.5. And 52 inches long. That looks pretty good. Just doing a little bit of a test fit right now, and the first section here is looking really good. So this next part, towards the front of the car, I have my support bars here, and I want to put some verticals here just to give a little bit extra support so that not all of the weight is just on those seats. I'm probably going to do one support per crossbar just for that that added level of security. So let's get to cutting. So right now you're probably wondering why the platform doesn't come all the way up to these front supports. So I want to be able to have this front seat fold all the way up. I want it to be able to fold all the way up so that I can have some cargo in here, or maybe even a second passenger. But then when I put the seat down, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a hinge with another piece of plywood that's going to flip over. It'll flip over and it'll probably come out to right about here on the seat, giving me that 6 feet that I need to sleep. So here I have my final setup, my sleeping bag on top, a nice 2-inch chunk of memory foam here, and then the platform just down below. Well, that's going to conclude this video for the Jeep Renegade camper conversion project. This is going to be a huge upgrade from my Honda Civic that I had previously converted, and it's going to get me to some of those places that I just physically couldn't get to, or mobily get to with the old Honda. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Camper Crusades. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next adventure.